Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting credentials and confirming device state. You need the iPhone passcode and the Apple ID that set up Ourpact, because many controls tie to those accounts. Once you've confirmed the app is present, open Settings and look for Profiles or Device Management. This tells you if Ourpact installed a configuration profile. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and pause any screen time passcode changes. Doing this first prevents lockouts and speeds up the removal process. Next, you remove the management layer and the app itself. Go to Settings, General, then VPN and Device Management. If you see an Ourpact profile, tap Remove Profile and authenticate with your passcode or Apple ID. This revokes remote restrictions. Once removed, press and hold the Ourpact icon to delete the app, then restart the phone to clear cached controls. After reboot, also sign the device out of any Ourpact family or organizer dashboard, so future re-enrollment is prevented. Finish by confirming local restrictions are cleared. Open Settings, Screen Time, and ensure no screen time passcode or Ourpact profiles remain. Remove any passcode if you can, using the Apple ID. Check family sharing to ensure the device isn't still listed under a parental organizer. If you encounter persistent MDM enrollment or cannot remove a profile, try resetting network settings to force a sync, and if that fails, contact Apple support for assistance. This resolves management enrollments that require server-side removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.